In this video, I will show you how to create a multi-page PDF file in Photoshop. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, we need to have all the images ready before creating the PDF file. The images can be of JPG, PNG, GIF, or PSD file formats. First, we need to click this File tab in the top and select Automate from this list of options. And again select PDF Presentation tab from this list. Next, we need to click Browse button and select the images that we need in the PDF file. Once we have selected and added the images in Photoshop as shown in this window, we can rearrange the images here in the order we want the page to appear in the PDF file. Next, with multi-page document selected, we can click the Save button to save the PDF file. In this pop-up window, we can select a compatibility PDF version and save the PDF file. And done, the multi-page PDF file creation is in process. Let's go see and confirm the multi-page PDF file is created and done successfully. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.